Hello everyone, my name is Bennun and I am a senior art director and concept artist working in the video game industry. In this workshop, I'll demonstrate how to sell the story and fantasy of a small personal game project through creating a marketing illustration. Over the next 3 hours, I'll take you through my personal workflow from technical and drawing approaches, while also discussing the importance of having the right mindset and organizing your work process to meet the game development daily task goals and challenges.